Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood is a inline 4-cylinder 2-liter turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. We've got 17-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A silk beige Ambitex interior. Panorama roof. Coming around back, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, a Linden wood trim, heated seats, power windows, power seats. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Dual climate controls. Hard keys for our media. Cup holders. Our scroll wheel for our infotainment center. Dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 25,225 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C-Class, check out feldmanimports.com.